The Hall of Fame is gonna be full of rebound.
I can open the back door. Oh my god, they shot him the back door!
Fucking shit.
No, shut up. No, shut up.